Afternoon guys, hope you're all well. Following on from a vehicle that we did about a year ago, which is the same colour Lexus SC430 that we had in for front and rear parking sensors. This lady got in contact with us just because there's no factory rear view camera on a vehicle like this and parking it is incredibly difficult. So we have fitted the 4 colour-coded flush Audible only parking sensors. They're the factory style sensors from Vodafone or Cobra, and again color coded to the vehicle and have a nice small footprint on there. Bumper's been off and the wiring has then been routed through into the cockpit and where the buzzer is. So as soon as you put the vehicle into reverse gear, the sensors come live and just give you the audible beep. There's no integration with the car, it's too old, the technology's not there for it because it's all Toyota based platform. But more importantly now, the customer's going to be able to drive away and know that when she parks, she can reverse safely to within about 30 centimetres before it flatlines. As I said, internal buzzer in the rear area that can be adjusted for volume, and yeah, one happy customer. So this is a 2008 Lexus SC430, now leaving us with aftermarket but factory style color coded parking sensors. Website links in the bio. If you've got any questions, get in touch with the contact form, and thank you for watching.